and dates that you might not know but are going to be so glad you now know of. May 17th is 2021 Tax Day, as well as National Walnut Day. 21st, have a pizza party because it is National Pizza Party Day. It is also National Endangered Species Day. May 22nd is Harvey Milk Day, as well as National Maritime Day. On May 24th, it is National Brothers Day, as well as National Asparagus Day. Interesting combination. Also, embrace your inner child because it is National Scavenger Hunt Day. May 25th marks the day of May Revolution, as well as National Wine Day. Or thinking about apologizing to someone, May 26th is National Sorry Day, as well as National Airplane Day. Just in time for summer, May 28th is National Sunscreen Day. It is also one for the meat lovers because it's National Hamburger Day, as well as National Brisket Day. On May 29th, learn about composting because it's National Composting Day. On May 30th, celebrate the Indianapolis 500 while drinking mint julep because it is National Mint Julep Day. May 31st is Memorial Day, World No Tobacco Day, and National Macaroon Day. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope to see you in the next video. Bye!